How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand the SS06 error. The SS06 support code error simply means that suspicious activity detected on your account, and it could be from using unauthorized apps, VPNs, or failed logins. So, in order to fix this, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. Now you will be required to log in, so go ahead and log in with your Snapchat credentials. And if your account is eligible, you will see an unlock button. Simply tap on it and wait for a few minutes and try logging in again. And if your issue is still not fixed, then if you have apps like SnapTools, Phantom, SCO etc., then go ahead and delete any Snapchat mods or third-party apps immediately, as Snapchat does not allow these type of third-party apps. Further, go ahead and reinstall the official Snapchat application from your App Store or Google Play Store and try again. Also launch the settings application and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, tap on Snapchat and go ahead and offload the app, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. This will also clear any corrupted files that may be triggering errors. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Lastly, you can also go ahead and contact Snapchat support. So open your preferred browser again and in the search bar search for support.snapchat.com. Now, tap on the Contact Us option and you will see the option for I cannot access my account. Tap on that and then tap on the ICN error message while logging in. Tap on it and then describe your issue and submit a support request, and Snapchat support team will accordingly reply to you. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.